For those planning a trip to Japan, staying updated with the latest travel information is crucial. With new policies, technological advancements, and exciting attractions on the horizon, this video provides all the essential updates that travelers need to know before stepping into the land of the rising sun. Some of these updates will be implemented in the near future, so understanding them ahead of time can significantly enhance the travel experience. Whether it's new entry procedures, digital advancements, or upcoming attractions, this video covers everything visitors should be aware of. Let's get started. Japan's new pre-clearance system, 2025 update. For seasoned travelers, long immigration lines may be a familiar experience. To streamline this process, Japan is introducing a pre-clearance system in 2025. This initiative aims to simplify entry procedures, allowing travelers to complete documentation verification, fingerprint scanning, and facial recognition before their departure. Once pre-cleared, visitors can simply proceed to automated kiosks at major airports, such as Narita and Kansai International, reducing wait times upon arrival. Currently, this system is being tested for travelers from Taiwan, but expansion to other countries is expected. Checking eligibility closer to the travel date is highly recommended, as this new system is designed to save time and improve the overall arrival experience. Electronic Travel Authorization System, ETA, for visa-exempt travelers, Japan, is also preparing to launch an Electronic Travel Authorization, ETA system, similar to the US ESTA program. This will be applicable to travelers from 71 visa-exempt countries, requiring them to obtain prior approval before entering Japan. The process involves submitting personal details, travel purposes, and trip duration online before arrival. While the exact launch date is yet to be confirmed, this system is expected to simplify immigration procedures and enhance security. A full list of eligible countries will be available in the description box for reference. New tax refund process, November 2026 update. For those who love shopping in Japan, an important change is on the way. Starting in November 2026, a new tax refund system will be implemented. Currently, the tax-exempt amount is deducted at the point of purchase. However, under the new system, travelers will need to pay the full price first, retain their receipts, and then claim a refund at designated airport counters before departure. While this means extra time may be required at the airport, the updated process offers several benefits, including the removal of packaging restrictions, product category limitations, and minimum or maximum spending requirements. This change provides greater flexibility for visitors looking to take advantage of Japan's tax-free shopping options. New Suica Mobile App. Welcome Suica, Spring 2025. Public transportation is a vital part of traveling in Japan, and the Suica and Pasmo IC cards are widely used for seamless transit access. In spring 2025, Japan Railways, JR, will introduce the Welcome Suica Mobile App, allowing travelers to obtain and recharge their Suica cards digitally before arriving in Japan. This digital version eliminates the need for a physical card and long queues at ticket counters. The app will initially be available only on Apple devices, with plans for an Android release in the future. A key advantage is its ability to link with Shinkansen, bullet train, tickets, allowing travelers to skip ticket lines and directly tap into train gates. For those planning intercity travel, this update is particularly beneficial, streamlining the entire transportation experience. Exciting new attractions in Japan. Universal Studios, Osaka, Donkey Kong expansion. For gaming enthusiasts, Universal Studios Japan in Osaka has expanded its Super Nintendo World to include a brand new Donkey Kong area. This jungle-themed zone brings the beloved game to life, featuring interactive experiences, themed merchandise, and the thrilling Minecart Madness roller coaster, which replicates the adrenaline-fueled sequences from the classic Donkey Kong games. Visitors can immerse themselves in a fully interactive world, making it a must-visit destination for both families and gaming fans alike. TeamLab Planets Tokyo expansion, January 2025. Another fascinating attraction update is the expansion of TeamLab Planets Tokyo in Toyosu, which now features additional immersive art installations. The new athletic forest encourages physical and mental engagement, allowing visitors to explore dynamic, interactive exhibits. Another highlight is the Catching and Collecting Extinct Forest, where guests can digitally interact with representations of extinct animals in a unique educational experience. The Sketch Factory lets visitors create and transform their artwork into souvenirs, further enhancing the interactive nature of this stunning digital art museum. With these expansions, TeamLab Planets continues to be a must-visit for art and technology enthusiasts. Additional travel tips for Japan. To ensure the smoothest possible trip, travelers should also take note of a few extra travel tips. 1. Cash versus card payments. While Japan is increasingly cashless, some rural areas and small establishments still prefer cash. Carrying a mix of both is advisable. 2. Connectivity and SIM cards. Japan offers a variety of options for tourists, including eSIMs, pocket Wi-Fi, and local SIM cards. Choosing the right one depends on travel duration and connectivity needs. 3rd, language assistance. While many major tourist spots have English signage, having a translation app like Google Translate or a phrasebook can be extremely helpful in smaller towns. 4th, seasonal considerations. Whether visiting during cherry blossom season, summer festivals, or autumn foliage, each season offers unique experiences. Planning activities based on the season can enhance the trip significantly. Japan remains one of the most exciting travel destinations, constantly evolving with new attractions and enhanced travel processes. Whether it's the improved entry systems, the latest tech-friendly transport options, or brand new entertainment zones, these updates will make visiting Japan even more seamless and enjoyable. For those interested in more insights, additional videos covering Japan travel tips and destination guides are linked in the description box. If this video provided valuable information, consider supporting the channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. It helps boost the video for more travelers who might find it useful and allows for more engaging content in the future. For more in-depth explorations of Japanese culture, travel tips, and hidden gems, be sure to check out more content on Stories of Japan. New videos are released regularly, covering everything from historical landmarks to modern travel hacks. Stay tuned for more updates on Japan, and see you in the next video.